Hey, what's up everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here Bulkit from Kotobukiya, which came from the Mecha anime Super Robot Wars OG. And this is your 1/100 scale Alteisen. So itong Alteisen na to is a bit rare to find nowadays, and napakahirap ng maghanap ng mga Kotobukiya kits na 1/100 scale versions ng Super Robot Wars, yung mga ganun. And nagulat ako sa kit na to kasi laki. It's a huge kit. And this is very nice compared with the high grade from Bandai, which is medyo maliit kasi yung mga Super Robot Wars from Bandai. Kasi nga high grade scale. And hindi ko akalain na mas malaki pala to compared sa mga 1/100 scale na Gundam kit. So punta nga muna tayo sa sa size comparison nito. So let's remove it here from stand of Ixu. So this is your red bulky kit here. Compare natin siya sa 1/100 scale regular size na Gundam. So this is your Gundam RX-78-5 or yung GO5. So as you can see, mas matangkad talaga siya compared sa average 1/100 scale Gundam kit. And this is about 18 centimeters, and Alteisen is about 23 centimeters if we're going to include the horn here. Ganda actually, instead of V-fin, ng angas tingnan nitong horn niya dito. Okay, let's compare it with this 1/400 scale here from Aoshima. I have here the Edion, Space Runner Edion. So still Edion is very big here, even though this is a 1/400 scale. And actually Edion is a big kit, or a big mecha, if we're about to follow yung size niya. Since this is 400, 1/400, still malaki siya. What if kung 1/100 siya? So this will be a massive kit. Okay, and let's compare it with my 1/20th scale Voltums. So this is a Bandai kit, by the way. And yes, Voltums is since 1/20 scale, so malaki siya. Supposed to be Voltums are about this size if we're going to make it a 1/100 scale. So maliit lang yung mga Voltum kits. And let's compare it with this recently produced kit from China, which is the Yandy. This is 1/100 scale as well. This is Yandy here, and the Yandy is still shorter than the Alteisen. So Yandy is actually the color is very nice. Yep. Okay, let's go with the kit features here. So ang ganda ng kulay niya. The red is a bit glossy color, but it's very nice. It's not that toyish looking. Hindi siya masyadong parang corny yung pagka-red niya. Although still you need to paint some parts here that may be bland, especially those white parts here. I want to paint it soon with chrome silver para magmukhang siya, metallic. And yep, the arms of Alteisen here is asymmetrical. So we got different kind of weapons, or odd looking weapons, like this magnum spike here, which is very unique with this kit. And oops, tanggal siya, medyo loose na to eh. Hindi pa tayo nag-umpisa, may naalis na. And there we got this cannons here on the left arm. And we got missile hatches dito sa may shoulders niya. Both shoulders, we got missile hatches. So I opened this for preparation mamaya kung ano yung mga gimmicks. And we got here at the back very nice looking boosters. So these are all in ball joints. So ang ganda. Very appealing yung mga boosters niya. And so let's go with the articulation. By the way, this kit is very heavy. Ang bigat niya. Chunky boy. Kanga. So the head here is very nice. Ang laki ng kanyang mga spike. And the ears, yung parang fin niya dito sa side of the head, ang laki. And I chose to put this clear red piece here, although we got also the opaque red. I think this is part of his special move. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm not familiar with the Super Robot Wars OG, by the way. I'm not watching that, or I didn't watch that yet. Okay, so the head really looks nice. By the way, this kit doesn't have any stickers, so all the colors here are color separated, which is very good. So the eyes are clear green, pero hindi siya visible masyado kasi black yung background niya. But there's a mechanism here that you can put yung LED inside, but hindi ko na nilagay. So pwede ka maglagay ng battery to light the LEDs, and the eyes will glow, and even this lenses here on the shoulder. Okay, so the head can rotate almost 360 degrees, but because of yung shoulder armors niya dito, medyo magiging limited yung movement na yun. So hindi siya pwedeng umikot 360 degrees. Okay, the shoulders are a bit loose. So mabigat kasi yung arms niya. So these are all loose, and these are all in ball joints, by the way. And it can rotate 360 degrees like that. And the arms can, or the elbows can bend up to this far, since hindi siya symmetrical. So yung isa medyo may pagka limited yung dito. Yan. Medyo tight yung elbows niya, by the way. Yan. Medyo creaky pa yung sound. Hindi ko kasi ito nilalaro actually. Ngayon ko nga lang ito na-review. Okay. And the waist can rotate like this. So napaka-loose ng ball joints na ito dito sa waist. So be careful. So if you want to lift it, just lift it here on the waist instead of on the torso. Kasi medyo loose, baka malaglag pati yung legs. Mabasag. Medyo may pagka-brittle lang din yung plastic nito, so be careful. And here in the shoulder, meron ditong missile hatches. And you can open it there. So yan, para siyang sa Serpent costume ng Gundam. It's easy to open here dito, and you can close it like this, and close first on the bottom and on the top. Okay. Like this. Okay. So yan, naka-close na yung mga hatches. Good. And the side skirt can move like this, and medyo tataas natin ganyan. Yung front skirt, side skirt, and the back skirt. Yung back skirt niya hindi gumagalaw, pero may booster siya dito. I'll paint this silver soon. And the legs can kick up to this far and kick back up to that far. Tapos may lever siya dito. Just be careful kasi medyo yung lever niya doon yung nagmo-move backward and forward, medyo stiff. So be careful. The knees can bend up to this far. So hindi siya double jointed. And the most annoying part here, of course, yung nalaglag dito. Madali yan matanggal eh. Kasi napaka loose nung peg na yun. And the polycap, yung black polycap na yan, sobrang loose din. So I might put some super glue there para mahigpitan. And the feet, actually yung feet na to, napaka loose din. So what I did is I put super glue noon para hindi na matanggal. Wala naman siyang function talaga, hindi nagmo-move yun, pero madali lang siyang mahugot kapag walang mighty band. And the feet can do sideways movement like this. And hindi siya nagbe-bend yung dito. Hindi siya nagpa-plantar flex. But the toes can do some plantar flex or toe flex like that. But the whole feet, hindi siya extend or flex. So any poses for this kit is possible, but as you can see, the joints or the polycaps here is the problem. Kotobukiya early releases uses polycaps, unlike the latest releases of their model kits where medyo limited na yung polycaps nila. In this case, medyo loose ang mga joints nito, although posable naman siya, but just be careful. Ang polycaps kasi ng Kotobukiya tends to wane its elasticity or the tensile strength, something like that. It loses its grip on the joints. That's why mahina yung kanyang quality in the long run, even though the Bandai polycaps. So yun lang ang pangit sa polycap kit. So as much as possible, you need to put some tighteners on the polycap. So you can see, naglo-loose na yung sa shoulder niya, di ba pangit? Medyo nagsasag ka agad. Wala naman akong ginagawa. Ganyan siya. Okay. So, do I recommend this kit? Yes, I recommend this kit. But this kit is for intermediate and advanced builders, because this kit is a bit tricky to build as well, especially sa feet part or sa leg part, medyo tricky. And of course, you need modification para sa mga joints niya, especially may mga polycaps. And playability of this kit is not fun to play with, because the more you play this, the more it gets saggy or loose, especially mga joint parts sa shoulder. Okay, so thanks so much for watching this quick review of this ancient Kotobukiya kit here. Not so ancient, but rare kit to find nowadays. So this is your Alteisen Super Robot Wars OG from Kotobukiya. So, thank you very much. See you next time. Goodbye. God bless. Take care.